Hello world, Ronnie again, and we're gonna do a little small, just a short product review um, on rotors. So I received these Brembo Supersport rotors from P1 Racing. Thank you, John Hutchinson, for hooking this up. Um, and the reason I'm gonna swap rotors on my R1 is because I have had plenty of issues with um, I don't know if it's head shake, but brake fade is the main issue. And so when I get on the gas, I'm trying to get on the gas early, but when I do so, I front lifts and then I come back down, and my front, whenever I get back down on the ground, the vibration of the front wheel causes my rotors to separate in certain situations, and what that does is that I have to then now squeeze my brakes multiple times to get the pads back on the discs. That can be very, very dangerous in a heavy braking situation where you're going for brakes and you got no brakes. So Yamaha has advertised that they have floating rotors. These are the OEM floating rotors, supposed floating rotors that I took out that I've been having issues with, and they don't move. And so, as you could, like I'm suggesting, when I come down, my front wheel shakes, separates the pads from the disc, and then I'm in this no brake situation. I've had it happen to me several times, and I'm tired. I am truly tired of it. So what we're gonna do is we've got these freshly installed here, and you can hear the difference. Just check this out. Oh, nope, not this one. Not this one, sorry. I could already hear the difference. Hear that right there? Look at this versus this. No movement. So I haven't had an opportunity to ride these just yet, but I will be getting an opportunity next weekend at Crescent. This is going to be the 7th round of the CMRA circuit in Dallas, Texas, or Crescent, Texas. And I will be doing an after review of these, but just look at you can hear the thing move. No mas, So again, thanks P1 John Hodge for hooking this up. Irie team Irie. Fast rides, good vibes. If you have not already liked and subscribed, do that, and stick and stay and follow for more content.